Hi, dear students. Let's do this MCQ from May-June 2021, paper 1, question number 1. But let's read the question carefully because understanding the question is half of the answer. And remember, before you get the right answer, you must look at the wrong answers because that's easier to find, right? So let's get started. The question says, which statements about bookkeeping and accounting are correct? Bookkeeping and accounting. Remember, you must understand the keywords in the question. So it says which statements about bookkeeping and accounting are correct. Remember, sometimes they can say not correct, but this one is correct. So there's no not here. So these are four statements, and we have to pick up some statements from it, which must be the right option. So accounting is performed periodically rather than daily. Okay, it says rather than daily. All right. Accounting relies on having accurate bookkeeping records. Bookkeeping includes the preparation of financial statements. Bookkeeping involves recording of financial transactions. Okay, before this, attempting this question, you must know the definitions of bookkeeping and accounting. Just to remember, just to make sure you remember that bookkeeping, blah, 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 is actually recording financial transactions. The main keyword is recording, and accounting, on the other hand, is preparing financial statements is actually financial statements, preparing financial statements, and recording transaction is bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is actually related to transactions. However, accounting is related to financial statements. That is the definition given by the IGCSE book, actually. In reality, the definition can be more wider, but at this level, IGCSE level, this is enough for now. So first of all, I would like to point out that which statement is actually correct. Look at this. Bookkeeping involves the recording of financial transaction. So this seems to be a correct option. So four, okay, you don't have to get all of them right. At least if you get one right, you will get a clue that which option is correct. So any option that has four in it should be correct. So four here, and four here. That means B is out. That means we have taken out one of the distractors. That means we have got the wrong answer first, which is B is not the right answer. Easier now. Now let's see what is common in this four. Like two, and two is also common. That means we don't need to look at two because two is in every option. So we don't have to actually look at it because it says it relies on accurate bookkeeping records. That's actually true as well. So now three and one is the main difference, or maybe none of them is true. If none of them is true, then the option will be D. But if one of them is true, then option is either A or C. So it's either one of them is true or none of them is true. So let's see. Accounting is performed periodically rather than daily. Okay, that's what does it mean? It means periodically here means either monthly, either they're trying to say it's monthly, quarterly, or it could be yearly, but not daily. That they are saying that you won't do accounting or you won't prepare financial statements on a daily basis. And in number three, they're saying bookkeeping includes the preparation of financial statement. Okay, first of all, bookkeeping does not include preparation of financial statement. That is the definition of accounting. So that is absolutely wrong. That means three is wrong, which makes C out of the question. Now, the only thing that we need to understand is either D is correct or A is correct. Both of them has almost similar points except for number one. So is number one correct? Accounting is performed periodically rather than daily. And actually, yes, you don't prepare accounting on a daily basis. You do bookkeeping on a daily basis. You do bookkeeping mostly on the daily basis because you record transaction daily, but you don't necessarily prepare financial statements on a daily basis. You may be the software may be preparing it nowadays, but that was not a usual practice, and that is not a usual practice. That's why the correct option is A. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood the question and the reason behind the answer. Remember that the notes are already given in the description of this video, and even if you didn't understand the whole thing, it's okay because you should understand something, because something is better than nothing.